So multiplication is commutative, and what that means is that the order we multiply the two numbers in does not affect the result. We will get the same answer in both cases. So I have a simple example here. We're going to look at 5 times 3 and 3 times 5. What is 5 times 3? It's 5 done how many times? 3 times. So 5 plus 5 plus 5. And if we work that out, 5 plus 5 is 10, plus another 5 is 15. So we get 15. Three times 5 is 3 done how many times? 5 times. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And if you work that out, you get 3 plus 3 is 6, plus another 3 is 9, plus another 3 is 12, plus another 3 is 15. So we end up getting 15 as well. But why is this happening? Why are these two numbers the same? Well, I've drawn a simple grid here with 3 rows and 5 columns. And if we look at the rows, we get 5 done once, 5 done twice, and 5 done 3 times. But what is that? That is all of the dots in the grid. It's exactly one copy of all of the dots in the grid. But now if we look at the columns, you get 3 done once, 3 done twice, 3 done 3 times, 3 done 4 times, 3 done 5 times. But again, what is that? That's exactly one copy of all of the dots in the grid. So in both cases, we get one copy of all of the dots in the grid. This is definitely not a proof that multiplication is commutative. It's just an example. But you could do the same thing by drawing a corresponding grid with any two numbers, and you would see that if you looked at the rows, that would be one way of multiplying the two numbers, and then summing up the columns, that would be the other. Thanks for watching.